I'm going to show you a little bit of the iBooks app. A nice default built-in e-reader on the iPhones. Well, you have to download it, but it's a free download. As you can see, it looks like I have nothing in my books, but I do. I have all these different categories. Of course, most of them are empty. I got the entire Dresden series in the Dresden series. And then miscellaneous, I have a Doctor Who book and Taken. And miscellaneous, movies, I have Book Fight Club. Well, there's 3 different ways you can add books to iBooks. You can sync ebooks to your iPhone or iPad with iTunes. That's just when you drag and drop an EPUB or an ebook format that's compatible into iTunes, it automatically adds it to the book section, and then you can sync it up like you do everything else, like pictures and apps and all that good stuff. If you have email on your phone and you get an ebook in your email, it will be one of the options to open up. Open up in iBooks or the Nook app or whatever you have loaded that's compatible. Or when you download an ebook from Safari directly on the iPhone or iPad, when you click on download, it will actually give you the option to open the link or download the file to and open in iBooks. And let's go with the Dresden file because there's more. You can rearrange them. If you tap and hold, you can move them all around wherever they need to be. You can list it like a bookshelf format here, or if you click on the list button, you can list it as a list. I like the bookshelf format. If you click edit, then tap one, you have a couple choices. You can move or delete. If you move it, you can choose any other category you have or make a new one. They call it collections. So let's move it to the Diablo section. See, it's in the Diablo section, but let's move it back to Dresden files, and it's there. And when you open up an ebook, there's the main screen. You can see what page you're on at the bottom. It's a little bit cut off because of the Cloud Player bar. That's the screen recording program I'm using. You tap on Library, it takes you back to the library. You tap on the bulleted list there. You can skip to the different sections, like the chapters, or if you have any bookmarks set up, or any notes you have. And earlier today, I highlighted stuff to show that notes section. You can share book or edit notes. Go back here. I can share it via Facebook, and it's not the actual book, it's just, hey, check out this book. Twitter, same thing, check out this ebook. Email, same thing, it's just a, hey, check out this book. It's not the actual file, it's just, hey, check out this book. Like I said, it's a nice little reader. You can edit the text and fonts, the brightness. If you tap the small A, each time you tap it, it gets smaller, then bigger. You can change the background and the look of it, like Sepia changes. You can see the background, how it changes it, nighttime. You can change to scrolling, and instead of page turning, it's scrolling up and down. I personally like the page turning myself. You swipe across. You can look up words. Let's type in Dresden, then tap search, and anywhere where that word appears, it will show you. Then you can skip to it, like chapter 1, page 28. Boom, there it is. And you could see on that screen, you could search Wikipedia and search the web. I'm not going to go into that. This is just the iBooks app program. It's nice. I like it. I try to keep some books on it. That way, if I'm someplace and have some time to kill, like a doctor's waiting room or something like that, and I don't have my Nook with me, I got some books on my phone I can go through and read. So if you like to read and like to have books with you at all times, and have an iPhone, it's great. iPad's a bigger screen, of course, so it'll probably show up a little bit better. So definitely check it out if you like to read.